What's up, everybody? I'm back here in Canelos. This is round 2. I brought a worker with me today. I was supposed to bring about 3 of them, but only 1 showed up, so it's okay. We've been working for about an hour now. We're trying to make my house a little bit more accessible. It's been abandoned for about 2 years here in the Amazon Rainforest. If you haven't seen the first video, you should probably go back and take a look at that. And this here is day 2. So here we are working. We've got all this to go through. And my house is through there. So you can see all the way through now, even to where my truck is parked. You can see my brother's house nice and clear. And all this has been cleared out. You just go up there, around that corner to the right, and you arrive at my house. We have a little bit more work to do in this area of clearing all this out. And we were able to rescue the bridge. The wood is a little bit rotten. We definitely have to replace all the boards that are on the top, but the support beams are okay. And then you go up right there and get to the house. Next time we come, we'll clean out the whole lot of land all around the house. So that's it for day 2, folks. I came out here with 1 other guy, and we did pretty good. So it's day 3, and we're just arriving here in Canelos, here with Christian, and we're going to fix the bridge today and finish clearing out all the jungle in front of the house and clean up the house as best as we can. It's raining here, and it's actually kind of cold, so we've dressed for the weather. Let's take a walk down and see what the river's like. It's been raining for like 6 hours at least. It was raining at 6 o'clock in the morning when I woke up, and hard, and it's now about 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's letting up now, but we'll go take a look at the river, see how much it's grown. So here we are at the river, and all this is usually sand. So this is what happens. Whoa! This is what happens when it rains. And that's a strong current. This is the Rio Bobonasa. No te pasa nada, ahí golpeale, no. Y ahí nomás, acá. Pégale duro, como hombre. Sí, está bajando. ¿Cómo que? Ya falta poquito, ¿no? Falta un poquito. So we've cleaned out this whole area here and made basically a road that leads to my house. As you can see, we come to a bend in the road, and we've got this area all cleared out as well. There's the house. It sounds like someone's got some pigs over there. Thought I heard some pigs over here. And I come over. There they are. There's another big one right over here. Let's see if I can get a better angle. So I found the pigs. See if I can't cross over. Noisy fella. Cute. Anyway, we're just finishing up our third day here in Canelos. We've made some pretty good progress. I think we'll have one more full day of work, just cleaning the ground up and things like that, and she'll be done. Today's our last day here in Canelos. Christian actually came up the other day and did some cleaning. I couldn't come with him, so he should have finished everything off. Here with Abby, I'm gonna go take a look and see how everything turned out. So we're here at the house, and everything's all cleaned up now. We've taken down all the trees, cleared out the land. You can see her again. Just needs a little bit of paint and she's ready to go. What do you think, Ab?
It's hot here.
Hot? Sweating?
Yeah.
Me too. You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. See you the next time, everybody.